that Smyrna cowboy to you?
Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. I am doing another audio test of the wireless mic set that I got up. I got the dead cat on here, as you can see. So we're going to go out to the bike. I don't know if it recorded or not. I don't think it did, so I'm going to walk out to the bike and then come back this way to see what kind of range I've got. So just come on, walk with me a little bit. Does my overalls make my butt look big? I say it's about 40 foot from here to the bike. The creaking door. It's a little bit, got a little breeze going. I don't know if it'll affect the dead cat or not. So here I am at the bike. Ta-da. Now I wanted to tell you guys that MinnowMoto did a video on the new mount for the Media Mod for the GoPro, and he put a link in his description about downloading a plan for 3D printers. The creaking door. And so my son-in-law, he has a 3D printer and he's dabbling into the 3D printer stuff. So there's some pictures of the mount there, and so he printed that for me, and I want to give shout outs to him, Kevin, and he printed out that mount, and I just used super glue gel to put it on, and I've got some real small bar clamps that I put on while it was curing, and I'll let it cure for a good 48 hours. So far the mount is holding up good. So it's a lot easier than having to take it off the mount and then do the feet up and then slide the camera out. But on this mount, you could just put it on there and slide the camera out while it's on the tripod or wherever you're at, and do a quick change on the battery. So we're going to go with that and see how that works. But so far it's working good. And another thanks to MinnowMoto for putting that out. I put a link in the description on that video to show you what I did and stuff. But when he printed it printed out really good. I had to do just a little bit of cleanup on it. It's not going to be perfect. You're going to have some fibers or what I call hairs and stuff. Just sand those off and all that. So we'll see how this does. So I have got to wrap this up. I've got some things I've got to do this afternoon and get with it. So that's it. That's it for right now. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee at the Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.